Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one. So today's video is a small haul from Patanjali. Patanjali is a product which I've heard a lot about on YouTube as well as on internet. I've heard a lot of people raving about how cheap and affordable and how effective the products are. So I went ahead and bought myself few of their products. It's a very small haul. I just wanted to try few of their products first and see if it's working, and then go ahead and buy the rest of them. So the first thing what I got is the Patanjali aloe vera gel, which I've already used up this much. I've been really liking this one, and I use it for my hair as well as my face, and it works really well. I'm planning to do a review on this one as well. Do let me know if you guys want to see a review, and I'll do it for you guys. So this is how the aloe vera gel looks like. It comes in a clear packaging with the product inside, so you can see how much amount of product is left in the packaging. So that is the first thing what I got. The second thing what I got is a face wash. It's the honey orange face wash. This is how it looks like. I've not yet used this product. I forgot to mention the price of this. This one retails for 80 rupees, and the face wash retails for 45 rupees. The next thing what I got is again a face wash from them. It's the rose face wash. It says it reduces dryness and roughness of the skin for a smooth glowing skin. Again, I have not used this one. I will let you know guys if it really works for me, and I will be reviewing all these products. So the next thing what I got is again a face wash. It's the activated carbon plus vitamin E and vitamin A herbal face wash. It's got lemon, neem and aloe vera. So that is how it looks like. It comes in a black packaging. The packaging looks quite nice. This one retails for 60. I forgot to mention the price of this one, and this one retails for 45 rupees. I have used this one and I quite like it. It cleans my face really well. It does not dry out my skin at all, so I really like this one as well, and I will be reviewing this for you guys. So the next product which I got is the Patanjali Kesh Kanti hair cleanser with milk protein. So it says it's for dry and rough hair. This is how it looks like. I have used this one I've used it around 2 to 3 times, and I must say I really like it. My hair has become really dry, rough and frizzy because I've done a lot of coloring and chemical treatments, which is not good for the hair, but I keep doing it. So I have used this one, and if you guys have really dry, frizzy and rough hair, I would suggest you guys to use this, because this one makes your hair really smooth and frizz free. For some reason it really worked for me, and this retails for I can't find the price. Yeah, this retails for 295 rupees. And the last thing what I got is the Patanjali Kesh Kanti oil. It says it strengthens the roots, prevents hair fall, graying hair and split ends. This is how it looks like. I've almost finished this one because I really like the product and it has worked really well for me. After I use this oil, it gives my hair a nice soft manageable look, and it's got a lot of Ayurvedic property in it, and it retails for 130 rupees. So I'm planning to repurchase this because I really like this one. So those are the products which I got from Patanjali. I'm planning to go and explore more of their products. So do let me know if you guys want to see review on any of these products. I will be more than happy to do it for you guys. So that's it for my small haul from Patanjali. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.